Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur a specific part of your video. So let's go. Open CapCut, go to New Project, and import your clip. At the end of the video, select the clip and tap Split to cut it. Now, duplicate the clip, then add it to Overlay and place it below the main video. Tap on the overlay clip, go to Effects, and search for the blur effect. Open Adjust and set the value to 100. Now tap the overlay clip, go to Mask. Next, tap on the rectangle to adjust its size and position. Now set the length on the left side to 94. Now set the width to 374 on the left side. Next, open position settings and adjust the y-axis to -345. Next, increase the x-axis value to +63. Now, when the frame moves slightly, the blur doesn't stay in place. We'll fix this using keyframes. Next, select the overlay clip and add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Now, use your finger to move the overlay frame slightly to the right. Now, let's add another keyframe to keep the blur properly positioned. As the video moves, we'll use our finger to add another keyframe. Now, we'll add a final keyframe and bring the frame to the right using our finger. Now you can see that a blur has been added to our video.